Hello everyone. If you are looking to save money on your hosting, you have come to the right place. Just click the link in my YouTube video description or scan the QR code on your screen. This will redirect you to your local hosting page, perfectly tailored to your country. At the top of the page, you'll see that the referral code is already applied. This means you do not have to enter any coupon code manually. It will automatically be applied when you go to your checkout. For example, this discount applies across all plans. To show you how it works, let's look at the business plan. After clicking Choose Plan, the checkout page will show that a 20% discount is active, and you are saving $38. Plus, you get daily backups and a free domain name included. This is the absolute perfect time to get started with your website, and this offer applies to the 48-month, 24-month, and even the 12-month plans. What are you waiting for? Go check out the link in my description right now to lock in your discount, and make sure to like the video and subscribe for more deals.